In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a rectangle shape in Google Docs. To get started, open your Google Docs so you're on the page where you want the rectangle to appear. This is important because the shape will be inserted directly into that document, so it helps to decide in advance where you want it placed. If needed, click into the area of the document where you want the shape to go before continuing. Once your document is open, move to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to different elements you can add to your document, including images, tables, charts, and drawings. Since shapes in Google Docs are added through the drawing tool, this is where you'll begin. After clicking Insert, hover over Drawing in the drop-down menu and then select New. This opens the Google Docs drawing window in a separate pop-up editor. If you haven't used it before, this is the workspace where you can create simple visual elements like lines, text boxes, arrows, and shapes, then place them into your document. Inside the drawing window, click on the Shapes icon in the toolbar. This icon opens a small menu with several drawing categories. When that menu appears, click on Shapes to view the available shape options. You'll see a list of common shapes that can be added to your drawing. From there, click on the rectangle option. Once selected, your cursor will change, allowing you to draw the shape directly on the canvas. Now click and drag across the drawing area to create your rectangle. The size of the rectangle depends on how far you drag, so you can make it small, wide, tall, or large depending on what you need. If the first attempt doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can simply try again by adjusting the size while drawing. When you're happy with the rectangle, click Save and Close in the top right corner of the drawing window. Google Docs will then place the rectangle into your document automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added a rectangle shape in Google Docs. If needed, you can click on the inserted drawing later to edit it again and make adjustments. This is a simple but useful feature when you want to highlight content, create diagrams, or add visual structure to your document. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.